This is the daily word problem for week 7 on Monday. Jimmy read half the amount of time that Heather read. Heather read only 1/4 of the time that Connor read. Connor read twice as long as Laura. If Laura read for 2 hours, how long did Jimmy read? So we're going to write these down so that we can keep track of the parts or multiples of the number of times people read. So we'll start with Laura, and she's 2 hours. And then we know that there's Connor. We know there's Heather. And then there's Jimmy. So Connor read twice as long as Laura, which would mean twice as long. 2 times 2 is 4, so Connor must be 4 hours. And then Heather read only 1/4 the time that Connor read. So what's 1/4 of 4? 1/4 of 4. That means multiplication. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. That's equal to 1 hour. And then Jimmy read half the amount of time that Heather read. So half of an hour is half an hour. So we could say a half hour, or we could say 30 minutes. So a lot of information to keep track of, and to write that down is very important to be able to sort through all of the different parts of the problem. So make sure that you're writing those types of things down, not trying to do it in your head.